I'm here with another video, and in today's video we have an iPhone 6s, and we have this client came in that it says that as soon as they try different charger, everything else and is not charging. So we're gonna see, this is one of the issues that and an iPhone stops charging. So this is an easy fix. You guys can do it at home, and I'm gonna explain it why this happens and step by step how to resolve the problem. All right, this one is particularly iPhone 6s. This applies for any iPhones. Anyway, the tools that you're going to be needing, it's 100% or 95% alcohol. I'll leave the link in the description. You need uh, tweezers. I have the really pointy ones and the pointy curved ones. You need this too. Also, cutter and few Q-tips. Also, you will need a working towel. Let's put the working towel underneath. So pretty much what happens, this is my old iPhone cable that I have here, so bear with me. So one of the reasons that happens often that the iPhone stops charging while you plug it in, even if you change the cable, is because we are used to put the phone in our pocket and we put it jack side down underneath. So what happens, all the dust particles, all those garbage that you have on the inside your pocket, it goes right inside the jack. And this jack is like pretty much a cup right in there. And when you put the cable right in it, you're just compacting everything on inside right there. So it comes to a point when you plug it in, the contact will not reach all the way in, and that's why it's not charging. To clean it, there's a really simple procedure you want to do. There are many ways, but this is the one that we do it all the time in the store, and it's the most effective one, and you can do it at home. First thing first, power off, and if it's off, leave it like that. What you want to do, you want to grab the alcohol, it's like a 100%, and you want to spray it inside the jack. Right like that. Make sure it's 100% alcohol. Then you want to leave it there, let it soak there. Just pretty much it's just getting into all those dust particles and keeping it together. You want to grab a Q-tip and you want to just cut it just like that. So you have this pointy side. I made another one. You can try make a better one if you want to. So what you want to do, so what we're going to do, we're going to just poke it in there and we're just going to try to compact it a little more so it sticks together, and then move it from one side to the middle. From that side to the middle, keep doing it a little bit. Look, the garbage is coming out already. Once it's compacted in there, I'm going to use my curved tweezers. And then what you want to do, you want to just go in there and just gently, you don't want to force anything, just move it, ply it around. And look at all this garbage that comes out. Alright, we're still gonna compact it, put a little more alcohol in there. And then start moving it around. Be gentle, take your time. And use tweezers because I feel it right down there. There's a lot of dust. So try to bring it up slowly, take your time. Don't force it. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It's like a one whole big hard ball of the dust right there. And now I can see the bottom of the jack actually is white. So give it one more. And just blow there right there so the alcohol will come out. Now we're gonna connect it. And the jack goes all the way in. And let's see, and there we go. I get that icon. You guys don't see it, but there's an icon right there. It says charge icon. It's charging. There it is. I don't know. It's not showing up in the camera, but it's right there. There we go. There's the battery logo, so it's charging right now. So you see, it went all the way in. There's no gap right at the jack. So this is how you're supposed to clean it up. So don't worry about making short contact or anything like that. It's not going to happen. They have a protection circuit right there. All you want to do, you just want to put alcohol, compact this stuff, and just clean it from the side, from every side, bring it to the middle, and then pull it out. That's how you want to do it. And at the end, you can just put second pass, a little bit of alcohol, and then just with the compressed air, just blow it through it and let everything come out. Alright guys, now I'm gonna leave this one charging for a little bit. And if you have any questions or requests, leave them in a comment, and I'll really appreciate it if you guys click that thumbs up button. And if you subscribe, it really helps and motivates me to make more videos and answer your questions. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.